In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete added animations on a CapCut. If you've ever added an entrance, exit, or combo animation to a clip and then changed your mind, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click so the effect is completely removed. We'll start by opening CapCut, adding a clip to the timeline, briefly applying an animation so you can see the process, and then removing it by selecting None. Go ahead and open CapCut. From the home screen, either create a new project or open an existing one. The interface may look slightly different depending on your device, but the options we'll use are in the same place. The editor with a preview window and a timeline. Add your video to the project and make sure it's on the timeline. You can import from your files and drag it in, or tap to add it directly. Click or tap the clip so it's highlighted. If you're working with multiple clips, zoom into the timeline a bit so you can clearly see which one is selected. Now let's add an animation so we can remove it. With the clip selected, open the animation panel. You'll see categories like In for entrance animations, Out for exit animations, and Combo for effects that cover the whole clip. Pick any animation you want just to test, adjust the duration if needed, and preview the result in the viewer. This step simply sets us up for the removal. To delete the animation, return to that same animation panel with the clip still selected. Choose the category that matches what you applied. If you used an entrance, go to In. If it was an exit, go to Out. And if it was a combo, open Combo. At the top of each category, you'll see the option called None. Select None, and the animation for that category is cleared. If you added both an In and an Out animation, set each one to None separately. For a combo effect, choose None under Combo, and it's gone. Play the clip to confirm it transitions naturally with no movement or fade that an animation would add. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see a change, double-check that the correct clip is selected on the timeline. If you remove the wrong effect by accident, use Undo to bring it back. And remember that duration sliders only matter while an animation is active. Once you select None, there's nothing to adjust. That's all you need to delete added animations in CapCut. Keep editing, and I'll see you in the next one.